Welcome back, fam. I am going to start calling this series, I don't know how to cornrow, but for whatever reason, I've been learning to flat twist. Before we jump in, make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe, the whole nine, so you know when we are posting more videos. This is me doing a link check because Aria's hair broke off pretty badly when I had taken her to get her hair braided. So that's why I started doing her hair myself full time to get it back to a healthier state. And y'all, look how healthy her hair is. Her hair is thriving, it is growing, and I'm just gonna keep taking care of it myself. If I gotta put box braids in and learn to become better at parting, then that's what I'll do. The two things I still struggle with when it comes to doing my kids' hair is parting and cornrows. So that's why I flat twist instead of doing cornrows, because I just don't know how to do it yet. But the parting, y'all, I don't know. It's a dexterity issue. But if you have some tips on how I can get better at parting and corn rolling, definitely use that comment box below because I need all the tips. Here I am just splitting her hair into sections to make it easier to twist. I don't always use this twisting method, but I would like for her hair to last a little longer. So I am braiding at the roots and then I start a twist. I do about 2 or 3 passes for the braid and then I combine them and start making a twist. I try my best not to forget to twirl the ends because when she has a twist out, it is gorgeous. I'm only using mousse to twist her hair this time, and you know what? I like it. All products will be linked in this video and tagged below.
gosh, look at it, Mommy. It changed colors.
Oh, you need a chair.
I got it.
Oh, you gotta scoot it closer. Okay.
It's very oh, it is 10 p.m. I'm like, wait a minute. I gotta explore out here. But what is this?
Oh, that's just scenery. You can see it.
Now, this part is where I kind of started doubting myself. I was like, did I do this right? Will my boxes look correct? But then I finished the first half and I was like, wait a minute. You did something great. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Are you a stylist?
If it's edible.
Turn around.
Can I go see my back?
Hold on, let me record. Oh, Lord, you.
First, before.
If your daughter is anything like mine, she needs to see the process to make sure that you are doing it right. Girl, I'm doing this for free. Once my manager approved, I got to work. Now, I had ambitions to do a zigzag part down the middle and then flat twist from the zigzag part. You know I cannot part. So this was a tall order for myself. But I want to have a little razzle dazzle for her gymnastics meet.
You do razzle dazzle today.
To do the zigzag, all I did was a zigzag motion, just like you're drawing a zigzag. And then I created the parts from that zigzag. I just cleaned up the zigzag to make it a little bit more defined. I actually found this part easier than trying to part in straight lines.
private industry in the United States. Over 9 million.
I really don't understand how I can do straight twist, flat twist, but I cannot cornrow because it look like I'm cornrowing here, but no. This just is a nice tight flat twist. Listen, I'm not going to brag, but it looks real professional. Yesterday's price is not today's price. And this is when I knew I really zigged and zagged. Come on. So then I started working on the other side. And this is the final result, y'all. This is so cute. And Aria had the idea of adding the colorful rubber bands. I added some gems pre-competition as well, and they held up the entire time. And I used Kiss eyelash glue, and they stayed attached the entire meet and a little bit after. I had to take them out myself. Since this is for her neon qualifier before she goes to state. So if you haven't watched that video of her competition, make sure you go check it out. It's tagged below, and we'll see you for state competition.